Hello guys, I'm Shervin and welcome to Start Tutorials. I'm making this video after a long time because I've been busy in my studies. So today I'm going to show you how to record your PC screen. So let's start. First you have to choose a software for recording your screen. The one I'm using is OBS Studio. It is an open source software so that you can download it for free in their website. So let's download it. Go to Google and type OBS Studio. Currently I'm using 64-bit Windows PC, but I have already downloaded and installed OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio. Now go to settings. You can modify your settings according to your convenience. You can visit the link in the description for the best settings. After changing the settings, you are ready to record. Just click the Start Recording button to start recording. After the recording process, press Stop Recording. Go to your destination folder to see your recorded video. That's it for today guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe this channel for more content like this. If you have more ideas, please write it in the comments down below. Thank you.